Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change Snapchat username without deleting account. The option to change your Snapchat username is available to all users now, which means you can easily update your username on Snapchat on your Android or iOS devices. Make sure you update the Snapchat app to the latest version available on Play Store and App Store, in case the option isn't showing up for you. In case you do not see the change username option even after updating Snapchat, you could try force closing the app and clearing the cache. Snapchat has finally started rolling out the option to change your username. It's worth mentioning that you can only change your Snapchat username once a year. We have used an Android device for this demonstration, but the steps remain the same on iPhone. With that out of the way, here's how to change it. Open the Snapchat app and tap your Bitmoji or profile. When the profile page appears, tap the settings gear icon at the top right corner. Up next, tap on username under the My Account section and tap on Change Username to modify your current Snapchat username. Snapchat will now warn you that you can change your username only once a year. Tap on Continue to acknowledge. Type your new username in the username text box and press the Next button. You should then enter your password and press the Confirm button. When the confirmation prompt appears, press Continue to confirm the changes. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.